Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Down the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the announcement of another build-off with Matchbox Mark, and the theme is going to be Mustangs. I don't know what the actual theme is. It's a build-off between just him and me, nobody else this time, and we're going to release those videos on June 24th. So stay tuned for that and look out for those coming up on the 24th of June. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, click that like button, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Down the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.